Look at that, there's something back there. I think it might be a... What's that? It's pecking away behind that tree. Oh, sticking your head out. There you go. What do you got there? What is that? Hi. Yeah, what do you got there? Yeah. I'm not sure what kind of bird you are. But you're pecking away. You could be a woodpecker. I can't tell. But you're real cute. Look at that. What a fine specimen we have here. I'm not sure the names of these types of birds, but I do believe it is a white woodpecker. Look at that. He's just drilling away. He, she, it is drilling away. I'm zoomed in all the way, but still kind of a bit of a distance. Look at that. Look at you go. You're just having at it. Really digging in there. Not a worry in the world but to get them bugs. Yum yum tasty. Oh. Yeah. Scavenging for some creepy crawlies. On Halloween of all days. Real nice fine specimen we have here. Feathered friend, you know? Yeah. Really burrowing that beak into the bark. If only this camera had better angles. And more quality, because this guy is going to town on the tree. Yeah, wow. He's really going to town. He, she, or it is going to town. What a fun one. Keep on pecking, sir.